GroupMe has been around for a while as a go-to messaging app for groups, but is it really the best option out there? Today, we're diving into what makes GroupMe tick and whether it's worth your time or if you should be looking elsewhere. So, what exactly is GroupMe? At its core, it's a group messaging app designed to connect friends, family, or even colleagues in a single chat space. You can create groups, share photos, and send messages without needing everyone to have the same platform or phone service. One thing that stands out is its ability to integrate with SMS, allowing users who don't have the app to still receive messages. This could be a game changer for larger groups where not everyone is tech savvy. The user experience feels intuitive, with a simple interface that doesn't overwhelm. You can easily create groups and manage notifications, which is a plus. However, there are some areas that feel a bit outdated, like the lack of advanced features compared to more modern messaging apps. For instance, there's no end-to-end encryption, which might raise some eyebrows for privacy-conscious users. Overall, it serves its purpose well, but feels like it could use a refresh. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, GroupMe is incredibly user-friendly, making it great for casual users. The SMS integration is a real highlight, ensuring that no one is left out of the conversation. Plus, it's free, who doesn't love that? But there are downsides. The lack of encryption might deter some users, especially with privacy concerns on the rise. Additionally, while it's perfect for casual chats, those looking for robust features like video calls or file sharing might find it lacking. The app also tends to lag a bit with larger groups, which can be frustrating for those who prioritize security or advanced functionalities. Alternatives like Signal or WhatsApp may be more suitable. In conclusion, GroupMe is a solid choice for casual group messaging, especially if you want everyone included without worrying about app compatibility. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or enhanced security, you might want to explore other options. It's worth trying out, but just know its limitations before diving in.